introducing Power Query. And as I told you, I'll utilize both Power BI Desktop
Hmm.
and Excel
Okay.
to showcase the that you can do the both the activities in
Hmm.
Excel also and in Power
Power
BI
Query.
Desktop also. When you are clear with the funda, then we will shift to one tool only, that so that you are aware that the same activity you can do there also,
Okay.
right? Okay, while the Excel is opening, let us discuss a bit of theory.
Okay.
So this we discussed yesterday also, that for information
Hmm.
management, there is a term
Extract,
utilized,
transform, and load.
ETL, right? Extract,
Uh,
transform, and load,
Load. Okay.
right?
Hmm.
And these three steps are typically required to integrate disparate data sources. Means
Hmm.
you can have data from a single data source also and
Hmm.
different data sources also, right?
Okay.
It depends upon the requirement or the case you are working on.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
This we also discussed that the transformation part refers
Hmm.
to
Hmm.
cleaning and shaping and aggregation of data to convert it into a desired structure,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Hmm.
Now, this terminology is utilized in terms of this uh, changing of data into a desired structure, but it is not the case that you are not already doing this activity. You are doing this activity for years in Excel
Hmm.
manually. The only thing is
Hmm.
you are not utilizing this term.
Yes.
You may be saying that you manipulate the data,
Yes. 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 Yes.
right? But
Yes.
in technical terms, this is the terminology you should utilize, that what you are
Okay.
doing, extract, transformation,
Extract,
and load,
transform, and load.
right? Instead of manipulating,
Hmm.
basically for years we are saying we are changing or manipulating our data so
Hmm.
that we can integrate it into the reporting part, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
And this is totally manual.
Hmm.
So one warning, do not expect that you will be automating here. You will be doing manual steps only here also, but there
Hmm.
would be some benefits over Excel.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hmm. So this is show. Earlier, what happens was there was an add-in required. These days, no add-in is required. You just have to go to your
Hmm.
data tab in your Excel ribbon. You'll get data option. This I showcased yesterday also, and
Hmm.
you get these data sources option. You can connect to any type of data source to
Hmm.
fetch data, and then you can do the transform activity. See how
Hmm.
many data sources are there,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Even there is an option of which says blank query also.
Hmm.
You can even write your own
Hmm.
SQL query here.
Hmm.
Let it open. I'll showcase the interface.
Hmm.
See, I'm into Power Query editor,
Hmm.
and it is giving me a space to write a blank query also. Here I can write a
Hmm.
blank query, right?
Hmm.
Now this I've showcased on Excel right now, mind you. Then I
Hmm.
told you that everything you do on Excel, similar thing you can do on Power BI desktop also, or vice versa, right? So here
Hmm.
on the home tab only, you have get
Hmm.
data option. Again, you
Hmm.
have these many data sources you can connect with. If I
Okay.
click on more, see, you name it, Power BI has it. You must have not heard about these kind of data sources also.
Hmm.
The popular ones are CSV files, Excel file, text
Hmm.
CSV, Excel,
Hmm.
SQL, SharePoint, or Access database. These are the most
Hmm.
popular ones.
Okay.
But suppose your company works on SAP, you must have
Hmm.
heard about this terminology, SAP
Yes, yes, I
release
had
of.
heard about this, but my company is not using SAP.
But someone might be using this,
Okay,
right?
okay.
So you can cut. You can connect directly to the server only, to the main data source only.
Okay. That means you are telling that Power Query, we can able to use the data from SQL and SAP.
These many, see the names. I am
Okay.
saying there are so many. I told you
Okay.
these are popular ones. These are
Okay.
regularly used,
Uh,
but you can connect it to SharePoint. You can
uh,
connect it to Oracle. You can connect it to IBM DB2,
okay.
MySQL,
Okay.
Sysbase, Teradata, SAP HANA, Impala, BigQuery, Google BigQuery, Microsoft Entra ID,
Mm,
data flows, data
mm,
marts, warehouses, data
mm,
lakehouses, KQL
mm.
databases.
Okay.
These
Okay.
many
Okay.
we have not heard about these also.
Mm.
Azure SQL database. This
These
is
and all,
getting,
these and all softwares, right?
yes, these are all databases basically. Database
Database
software.
files.
Right. Dynamic database. Salesforce is another popular software.
Mm.
It is utilized in many
Okay.
organizations.
Okay.
Adobe Analytics. Adobe is the company which has given you this PDF software, right?
Mm.
Adobe Reader. GitHub, LinkedIn,
Mm.
Marketo,
Mm.
directly to a web page. There is a
Mm.
software called R. There is a software called Python,
Mm.
Amazon.
Mm.
Okay. Automation Anywhere, BI Connector. So many are there. See?
Mm. Mm.
So what I'm trying to showcase here is
Mm.
you may be working in any organization which might be utilizing a totally
Mm.
different data source.
Mm.
But there are so many, it is hardly a case that you will be missing it here. You will be
Mm.
able to connect. That is what I'm
Mm.
trying to highlight.
Mm.
Getting a point,
Mm. Mm. Got your point.
right?
Mm.
And last, you can write a blank query also.
Okay. Blank query means?
Blank query means if you are well versed with SQL, you
Okay.
can write your own code to connect to a data source through SQL.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Mm.
So this was about the option from where you will start connecting your data.
Okay.
Okay. Now basics. How will you start the query? This I showcased a bit
Mm.
yesterday also, but let us, because we are starting again. So let
Mm.
us go through it again only.
Mm.
So let me utilize a file. Let me check the data type here. Okay, this is txt. This is a text file.
Okay.
Okay, your choice. You want me to do it in Power BI or in Excel first?
You do it in Power BI.
Power BI. Okay. So
Mm.
again, I'll say get data.
Uh,
I want to connect to a text file. Okay.
okay.
Clicked on it. It
Mm.
says choose the file from the location. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
I'll go to the location.
Mm.
This is my file. Okay.
Mm.
I'll simply have to say open it in Power Query. Now
Mm.
you'll see another will open with this
Mm.
connection being made.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Now what this window is, this is not the Power Query window actually. This is the connection window which gives me
Mm.
the preview of the data I'm connecting to.
Okay. Which we had imported no that data.
That data. This is just a preview. It
Okay.
says based on first 200 rows. You can change this from here also.
Okay.
But this is just a preview.
If based on entire sheet means entire rows will be displayed to us, right?
Displayed. So this is, anyways, this is not required because we have to go to transform data to get into Power Query editor to work on this, right?
Okay. Okay.
So I'm saying,
Mm.
okay, another point of question here. It says load, transform data and cancel.
Okay.
And you might be tempted to click on load to quickly load the data and start working on
Okay.
the data to create your dashboard, right?
Mm. Mm.
Okay. And you might be thinking that this data is clean only,
Mm.
and you might be tempted to click on load directly. Even if you are
Mm.
sure it is clean, do not click on load.
Mm.
Do not go by temptation. Always click on transform data first.
Okay.
Okay, now you can see I have got another window available which says
Mm.
Power Query Editor, right?
Power Query Editor.
This
Okay.
is Power BI Desktop. This is Power
Mm.
Query Editor. See my cursor. This is saying Power Query
Editor.
Editor, right?
Mm. Mm.
Okay. Now, here what
Mm.
I can do, I need to transform my data, right? Some
Mm.
basics about this window first, right?
Mm.
So
Mm.
you have got these tab options, File, Home, Transform,
Add
Add
column.
Columns, View,
Mm.
Tools, and Help. And each tab option is having its own ribbon associated with it, right?
Mm. Mm.
So each ribbon gives you some options to help
Mm.
you with the transformation of your data.
Okay. Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
one thing. This is your queries pane wherein all right now I've connected to a single data source.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
it might be the case I'm connecting to multiple tables. So it will showcase all the tables here, and all tables are called queries in Power Query
Okay.
Editor.
Then each text file will be converted as queries, each query,
Right.
right?
Each table or each file you are connecting to is a
Uh,
query in Power Query Editor.
okay. Okay.
Okay. And
Mm.
you can see
Mm.
there is a right pane also which says properties, which showcase the name of the query. So this file name is lead list. This is the query
Lead list.
name here.
Okay.
And you
Query
can
list.
customize it also. Suppose I want
Okay.
to say I do not want to load this with lead list. Suppose I want to say lead underscore list.
Okay.
So you see it changed here also. It changed when I change it here, right?
Okay. Okay.
Then there is a pane which says applied steps.
Okay.
So whatever steps we apply on the data set are recorded here.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Like you see by default it is saying promoted headers, means what it has done is
Mm.
it has taken the first row as the header row of columns on its own.
Mm.
Okay, it might be true, it might not be true for your data set. So if it is not
Mm.
true, you can delete this step. Okay, now
Mm.
you can see this has become a row and the
Mm.
column headers are saying column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, right?
Mm.
Understood? But
Mm.
usually it is the case that first row is the header only, but it depends. So that is why I said do not tempt yourself to click on load. Go into the transform part first. Check whether this
Okay.
is showcasing correctly or not. Right?
Okay.
Now, if I want to make this my first header, so let me go
Mm.
to transform. There is an
Mm.
option which says use first row as headers.
Mm.
I'll choose this. See, that step is applied here automatically.
Mm.
Okay, so whatever work you do here is applied here. So you have to be aware that you go in a particular sequence which is correct only because you
Mm.
can utilize these steps again also.
Okay.
Okay, understood?
Understood. That means you are telling that with that existing text data we are
Hmm.
taking, and based upon the requirement of columns and row which we
Hmm.
need, we want to able to arrange with transform, right?
Right, right.
Okay. What I'm saying is correct only, no?
Yes, you can
Okay.
repeat if you want.
uh, First we are taking a text file, and
Hmm.
we are transforming the data. Then based upon transforming the data, if we need the columns and rows to be based upon our customization, we need
Right,
to go to transform, and then you use that applied steps, right?
right, right. You are correct.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
so
that
going.
applied steps, and only I have a confusion. Can you
Hmm.
do one more time, sir?
I'll do many steps here.
Okay, okay.
So I was just telling any queries up till here, you are able to follow up till here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now let us see what are the discrepancies in my data set.
Mm.
You can see I have got blanks,
Okay. Mm.
right?
Mm, mm, mm.
Here also I've got blanks. So blanks is usually not the desired value in a column, right?
Okay.
Right?
Mm.
There are spaces also, you can see. If
Yes.
OR is
Uh,
this OR is without space, otherwise everything is with space, right? This is
yes,
again
yes,
an
yes.
error.
Yes,
I've got null values also,
yes, yes.
right? So many discrepancies in my data set, right? I have to clean this, right?
Yes, yes.
Again blank, again null.
Mm,
What else we can say? See, this is a numeric column
mm.
usually, but in between there are alphanumeric values also.
Yes, that is also to be cleaned.
Either cleaned, either to be verified whether these are correct or not,
Okay.
right?
Mm,
Again, null values.
mm.
These values are with different decimal places.
Yes,
Again, with different decimal places, right?
yes, yes, yes,
So these are what? These are data discrepancies or not? My data is not clean, right?
yes.
So suppose, let me check the values here. It is saying automotive maintenance, maintenance total, automotive services, and if I click on load more, I'll get other values.
Okay, what are
So,
the... Mm,
so if I see what are the blank values,
mm,
again, if I generalize it from here,
mm,
I'm getting the automotive repair value as the most available repair, 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 right?
mm, mm,
So I'm assuming here, I'm not saying I'm doing right. I'm just trying to showcase here the
mm,
options you can utilize in Power Query. So what I
mm,
can say is I can say right click on
mm,
the column itself. I'll
mm.
say replace values.
Oh,
I have to find blank. I'm saying
okay. Like Excel, right?
like Excel.
Okay,
I'm saying or replace all blank with auto repair. So blanks are gone.
okay.
Got it?
Mm.
So many options here you will be working on are similar to Excel. That is why it is easy to learn. One thing,
Oh, okay, okay,
right? Second
okay.
thing is
Mm.
many things you do in Excel through multiple step activity. Like
Uh,
we discussed now, you do many manual step in Excel to achieve
yes,
something.
but in Power BI we don't want to do manual steps, right?
You have to do manual steps, but
Uh,
that those multiple steps are now converted into these options. You just have to click, utilize this option, and it will be done.
okay, okay, I
Getting
got
my
it.
point?
Mm.
Everything you do in Excel is available here, but you have to learn it. It has a different interface and with some different rules how to utilize it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Or in other words, I can say for many things in Excel, you have to apply big formulas or combination formulas. Here it
Mm.
is available as these GUI options. You just have to click and apply those steps.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Like here, if I say
Mm.
I want to remove this space.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Hmm. These are text to column options. There is a option which says remove space also. These are data type options, text column, number column. This is only. Hmm. Trim. This is a
Mm.
formula called formula available in Excel, right?
Uh,
So instead of applying a formula, you just have to click this GUI button.
okay.
This is done.
Oh, it will be automatically applied to whole column.
Right.
Okay.
Got it. And you
Mm,
can
yeah.
see we did few steps. These are available here.
Mm,
This is the step we did to showcase. So this is not required. I can delete this also. Right.
mm,
Now what I'm trying to showcase here is through trim. If you have done
mm,
this in Excel,
mm,
suppose I'm saying space my name.
mm,
First you have to, suppose this is a name column. You have
mm,
to include a helper column first.
mm,
You cannot apply the formula on the column itself. You apply the
mm,
formula on the adjacent column or on a free column, right? Which is
mm,
called a helper column. Here
mm,
I've got the formula which says trim.
mm,
Then I have to do paste special value also.
mm.
Then I have to replace this value in the actual column
Yes.
and delete this helper column. So four steps.
Uh,
I got this in Excel very easily, not that much difficult, but four
mm,
steps.
mm. These steps are avoided in Power BI.
Yes.
Okay.
These are given you as these GUI option, graphical user interface
Okay.
options, or you
Mm.
can say buttons.
Okay.
Just click a button and it is done,
Mm.
right?
Yes.
Like you see in this city, let me do two activities here.
Mm.
One thing is that, well, of replacement of blank value only.
Mm.
Let me say, I'm replacing blank value with, say, New York. Okay,
Mm.
done. Now you see New York, I've typed N as capital, right?
Mm.
Here I'm seeing the city is having first letter of the city as a small letter, right?
Yes.
Not a desired value,
Uh,
right?
uh, Lowercase to be. Capitalize each word. Okay.
Better.
Okay. Yes, I got it.
If you have to do this in Excel, again you have to do some formula
Yes. Yes. Yes.
workaround.
Yes.
So see, it is so easy in here.
Mm.
So what they
Yes.
have done in Power BI, Microsoft, what they have done is they
Mm.
have given you the most utilized features as a button, so that you don't have to do manual steps,
Okay. Manual steps and using the formulas and
right? So
mm.
here also you are doing it manually, but in a single click of a
In a
button,
single click of the button.
right?
Mm.
Understood?
Yeah, understood.
And please focus on this applied step. Whatever we are doing, it is being recorded as a step here,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Okay, we'll come to here. Okay,
Mm.
so I'll come to this cleaning part once again.
Mm.
Now, two things here.
Mm.
Whenever I'm saying right click, I'm getting these options.
Mm.
These are called column level actions.
Okay.
These are called
Column
column
level
level
action.
actions
Okay.
because I'm selecting a column and doing right click.
Mm.
Okay, and if you see, if you match the options, these are available in the ribbon also. So
What?
you can utilize these options either ways. You select a column or utilize the options from this ribbon, or you
Okay.
right click on a column and utilize it from here.
Okay. Okay. I got it.
Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
both ways are. It is up to your work. You will develop a working style. So it is up to you how you
Mm.
find it yourself comfortable with right click or with ribbon. It is up
Mm.
to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Now up till now we were working on columns.
Mm.
Now if I click on this small arrow,
Mm.
this is table structure. This grid is table.
Mm.
Now whatever action you see here are table level actions.
Mm.
So if I choose to uh, apply a step from these options, this
Mm.
would be applied to the whole table itself,
Mm.
not only on to a column. Suppose I say
Mm.
I want to keep some top rows.
Mm.
How many number of? Suppose I'm saying keep only 10 top rows.
Mm.
So this is converting the whole table, right? Not a single
Mm.
column.
Mm.
Understood? So
Yeah, understood.
you have got two types of options: table level actions or
Mm.
column level actions.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Table level actions once again repeat it.
From this small arrow,
Okay.
these options are there. If you
Okay.
utilize any of these, this will
Mm.
transform the whole table in one go. It will not work
Mm.
on a single column.
Okay. Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Now, one option says refreshing Power Query data. So,
Mm.
right now we have some data available here. We can load this also. Suppose new data comes in,
Mm. Mm.
right?
That means new text file we are importing.
No, no, no. Your
Mm.
text file is having new rows
Okay.
because now start thinking in terms of a database.
Okay. Okay.
A database is updated every time.
Mm.
How can I explain? Suppose you have a bank account, right?
Yes.
So Yesterday you should have checked, it got cleared, so your bank's database would be having that transaction available in for you, right?
Yes.
Suppose you buy gold from the bank today.
Okay.
So your data would get a new row of transaction, na?
Oh, okay, okay, I understand. That means gold loan will be adding to my database.
Database. Now,
Okay.
suppose this lead list database is updated.
Okay.
New rows are available now.
Okay. How we can able to insert the new row will be you will be telling.
Right. So there's a simple option which says refresh.
Okay.
So you have to refresh your query. It will add those new rows in your query automatically.
How the without inserting how it can able to add?
Sorry.
You are telling that new rows will be added. No. Uh,
Hmm.
by
Hmm.
refreshing all itself, it will be
Hmm.
automatically add the new rows, or we should it will allow us to add the new row.
No, no. It will be added as a transaction in your database. You don't have to add it in your query again. You just have to refresh your query.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood. Little bit confused. Okay, you click the refresh all. I will see.
No. For refresh, I would have to
Uh,
say is
mm,
right now they're saying 999 plus rows.
okay.
Okay.
Mm,
Already it has got many rows because in the preview it is not possible.
uh,
Let me do it in a way
mm,
we can so that we can identify. I'm saying open notepad.
mm,
If I go to the last row here, this line item says 12,173,
okay.
12,174. Suppose I add another row here. Let me
Mm,
copy this
mm,
and again, and three rows I've added. And suppose
mm,
I'm saying 5086.
mm.
Now I'm saying 5087. Remember, you can note this down 5086 once,
5086.
5088. Okay, and I'm saying
Uh,
close and save. So I've got three new rows
in text file.
in text file. My database is updated,
Uh,
right?
yeah.
Now, what was that? 5086, right?
Yes. No, no. 5086.
So it is not available
Uh,
because 5085 was available, right?
no, 5086, 87, and 88 only we had added.
Hmm. Okay, so 5086 is not available here, right?
Yes, not available.
So, but my database is updated. It should be available here, right?
Yes.
Now I'll say
Refresh.
refresh. Now I'll say
Refresh.
refresh.
Okay. Oh, if database itself changed, then we no need to once again insert it, and it
Right,
will be automatically changed.
right.
Mm.
It is still not available in this column. Are we checking the right column? Let me check.
That text file should be saved, I think so.
Say I saved it. No worries with that. Let me check with the column first. No?
Mm.
Hmm, should be
5085 also not available, no?
hmm, 5084, 5086. The column should be this one only.
Mm.
But you got the concept.
Yeah, I got the concept, but if it will be you will show means I will be
I'm trying where
okay.
it has gone. It should be in this column only. Let me check once again. Here it is,
5086 it has came.
right? It
Okay,
was not there. So
okay,
the statement you made is right that we need not connect it again. We just have to refresh it because it is
oh,
already connected.
okay, okay, okay. It will be fetching from that data which was already connected in the folder, right?
Right.
Okay. Okay, like pivot table in Excel, how with the existing data, if we refresh giving means pivot table, it will be fetching up the data. No, like that.
Yes,
Anand? Okay, okay,
yes, yes.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And again, this refresh button is manual,
Yeah, manual.
right?
Mm.
Just a second. Another thing is, this was again, I clicked on this, right? Suppose it is a scenario that this is getting updated regularly, like that bank scenario. Transactions are happening on the
Mm,
go.
mm.
So if there are 100 transactions happening, you will come 100 times and click on this button,
Mm. We can't able to do.
right?
Mm.
So there is an option in Power BI wherein you can schedule your refresh. It is not available in this window. When we
Okay,
progress, I'll showcase that. I'm just giving you a scenario here,
okay.
wherein what you can do, you can
Mm.
say, you can provide a time, suppose
Mm.
5 p.m. every day.
Oh, it will be automatically refreshed
Every
every
day
day
at the
at 5
at
p.m.
5 p.m. No manual intervention required.
Okay.
Okay. So these kind of
How can be able to schedule it? In
so
which that
so
button is not available in this Power
it is
BI,
not
right?
available in this window. That we will do when we do the cloud part.
Okay, in cloud part you will be showing.
Right. But I'm just giving you a heads up that
Mm.
these kind of features are available so that everything is not manual. Many things
Okay,
are manual, but there are many features which help you with better working.
okay, okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Under- Now we are saying managing existing queries. Right now I am having only single query here, but as I told
Mm.
you, I can connect many data sources, right?
Mm. Mm.
So there would be many queries available here.
Yes.
So if there are many queries available and you want to manage them,
Mm.
you have got several options to manage them also.
Okay.
To showcase,
Mm.
let me add one or two queries here.
Mm.
So I'm saying new source.
Mm.
Let me say Excel workbook. Let me take this only.
Mm.
So another thing you can notice here is I have not gone to Power BI desktop to connect. I have simply connected to new source button within Power Query
Mm.
also. So you can do that also.
Mm.
Okay. So I've got a
Mm.
new query available here. Let me add
Yes.
another source.
Mm.
Say unpivot also.
Oh, in the sheet, first tab you are adding,
Table.
right?
Yes. First table I've got.
Okay, first table means in first table, right?
Okay. Let me showcase one more thing to you. I don't know whether you are aware about it or not.
Mm.
Suppose I'm having,
Okay,
so
this
this
is the
is,
first table.
this
Sheet
is,
one will be.
so this is a table for you, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
No, this is not a table.
No, no, I mean that sheet one will be table one, sheet two will be table two, like that you are meaning.
That is also correct. What you are saying is also correct. I'm adding something more here. What
Okay.
happens is this is data which is arranged in a tabular structure for
Okay.
Excel. For Excel,
Okay.
this is not for Excel. Some everything is an object actually.
Mm, mm,
Now this is not a table object for Excel.
mm,
This is data arranged in tabular format.
mm,
If I said for table object for
mm,
Excel, I'll select this data. I'll press Control T.
mm,
It says create table
mm,
and ask whether my first row is having headers. I'm
mm,
saying okay. Okay. You see the change in look and feel,
mm.
and you see this is there is a new tab available here which says table design.
Uh,
Right? It was not there earlier.
yes.
This is the table object actually. Excel
Okay.
consider this as a table. So
Mm,
you can connect both ways, table object also, or this also. This is, if I say in Excel terms, this is called a range actually. I don't know if you
range.
have heard about these terminologies or not.
Mm,
If not, now you are aware that table
mm,
object is different and range is different.
mm,
If I again say Control T, you
mm,
see it is saying table 2 as a table name,
mm,
right?
mm,
So this is where if it is new for you, you have to imbibe this, that table object is different, range is different, and it is not the case that every time you have to create table object, you can connect to a range also, you can connect to a table object also.
mm,
But usually it is better to convert your range into a table object. That is the ideal scenario.
mm,
Hope I'm clear.
mm,
Okay, back to Power BI. So
mm,
now I've got three queries available.
mm,
Okay. Now
mm.
we are saying if we have multiple,
Each query will be separate window, right?
no, window is same,
Uh,
table or data set is different. If I click on a query, you see the data set is changing.
yes. Oh, that will be the datas alone automatically will be changed.
Right. Power Query editor window is same.
Okay. I got it. While clicking the lead list, that first report will be coming, and customer sales the separate report will be coming, right?
Right.
Okay.
Now, if I like these three queries, I may have more queries also. If I want to manage these, I've got some options available
Mm,
that I can edit query,
mm,
delete a query, refresh a query. Refresh I've
mm,
already showcased.
mm, mm,
Load to will load it in the Power BI desktop as a table here in the data pane,
mm, mm,
right?
mm.
Duplicate, if I want to create a copy of the query, there's a
Okay.
duplicate option.
Okay.
Reference, create a new query that references the output of the original query. That
Okay.
means
Mm,
right now my last step on this query is this, capitalize each word. If I
mm,
say reference,
mm,
this is the option, right? Reference.
mm,
Create a new query that references the output of the original query. Now see what happens.
mm,
Read list 2 is created,
mm.
which is having the source as the last step of this query.
A list two you had created, no? How it has been created?
Let me do it again. Let me delete this first.
Mm.
So we were working on this data lead list, right?
Uh,
We applied these many steps.
yes.
We went to get this table now.
Mm.
Earlier, this auto repair and all was not there. These first
Yes, yes,
alphabets
yes,
were not capitalized. This was not
yes.
trimmed.
Uh,
Some this 5186 was not there, right?
yes, 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 yes.
So I'm at a point after these steps are applied, right? Now
Mm.
this output
Mm.
I want to utilize this output as a source in a different query.
Mm.
So I can say right click and reference. What it will do, it will
Reference.
create a totally new query
Uh,
wherein the source was this query is this particular query.
okay. So source will be
The last
available.
step, source will be the last step output of this previous query.
Okay.
Understood?
Mm, 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 mm.
Merge, it is there, and append. These are separate topics. I'll do this in detail when we go ahead.
Mm.
Okay.
mm,
Move to group. This is for better organization, what I can say. Suppose you are working in Power Query wherein you are working in suppose some particular cases.
mm,
You can group two queries. Like you can say selected two queries, I can say move to group. Create a new group.
mm.
This is something like you are creating folders for your files. So for
Okay.
you can say folders
In
for
in
your
in single Excel, we are merging as a tabs, four tabs from a different Excel, right?
yes. So you can see this icon also says folder. The first group is having these two queries. This folder is having two other group is having these other two queries.
Okay.
So when there are many queries, you want to group them or organize them in folders,
Okay.
you can utilize
Okay.
this option.
Okay.
So this
Then
is for
I had a
better
doubt.
organization.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You are saying something?
No, 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 no. After it, I will ask.
Okay.
Mm,
Similarly, you can change its position. You can to move up in the position, move down in the position, show a preview. Preview you already know. Properties you
mm,
also know that you can change
mm,
the name and all these things of
mm,
a query from properties, right?
mm,
So these are some options for
mm,
better management of your queries.
mm,
Then we have column level action, which I've already told you. If you right click on a column,
mm,
these options which you get is are column level actions. If I go by their definition, let us go by the definition. We will apply these in the dataset itself also. So remove. I can delete a column.
mm,
Suppose I'm coming here. I'm saying I do not want this column. I can say right click, remove,
mm.
delete it.
Uh,
Step added here.
uh,
Okay. Remove
okay.
other columns. So this is like I want suppose these let me say control one, two, three, four columns. These columns I want to keep.
Mm,
Suppose there are 100 and something columns available, right?
mm, mm, mm.
But I just want to keep these four columns.
Okay.
So I'll not go to each column every time and delete one
Mm,
by one for 100 times or 150 times, right?
mm,
There is a reverse scenario here. I'll select the desired columns,
mm.
then I'll right click. I'll say remove
Oh,
other columns and
oh,
keep the selected ones.
okay. Okay, I got it.
Understood? So this saves time.
Mm,
This saves time, right?
mm.
Okay. Another option in column level action
Okay,
is
what applied steps means what are all the things we have done will
done,
be displaying.
displayed here. So when you
Okay.
are creating a particular query, you have to be very careful
Mm.
when you are applying those steps in a sequence. It might be the case whenever you append the data or you want to apply the same steps on another query, you can utilize those recorded steps. So if
Oh,
you've done some mistake, that mistaken step will also be applied.
okay. Mm.
Okay. Have you heard about recording of macro in Excel? This is a similar kind of activity.
What recording of
Macro.
macro?
Not heard?
No, 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 no. I didn't hear. I had heard of macro, but not it worked in that.
Let me showcase one example.
Mm.
So it is a different subject although.
Mm.
Suppose on this data set, I have to do some activities many times.
Mm.
Okay. I'm saying going to developer tab, there's option which says record macro.
Mm.
Okay. I'm saying macro
Mm.
one. I'm saying okay. Now suppose I'm doing some kind of formatting here. I'm selecting the data set. So everything I'm doing here, na, it is being recorded. Let me apply
Mm.
borders. Let me say the header as bold,
Mm.
colored. Okay.
Mm.
On the email column, let me say the font as red. Okay.
Mm.
Let me apply a sum formula here,
Mm.
average formula here.
Mm.
Okay, a count formula here. See, I made a mistake. I didn't type equal to. So that mistake is also recorded.
Oh,
That is what I was explaining on the steps part also.
okay. Record macro will be if we are applying these things, it will be recording.
Now I'll say stop macro. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now I go to sheet 2. This is a similar data set.
Okay.
Now I go to developer. I'll say show me the macros available. So this macro one we just recorded.
uh,
If I see click on run, whatever
uh,
steps I did manually, it will be applied automatically. See, it will be done very quickly. So please focus on the screen.
mm,
I'm clicking now. Okay,
mm.
done.
Oh, without in normal Excel, we will do copy and paste and copy and paste. Uh,
Hmm.
Instead of that, record macro means it will be applied to each column. Okay,
Right.
okay,
Okay. So this is
okay.
creation of macro by recording. There is a
Mm,
language called VBA. If you learn that, you can write the code itself. I again
okay.
showcase that.
Mm,
This is the window wherein you can write the. See, this is a code written, right?
mm.
We can write this. If we know VBA, we can write this from scratch.
Okay.
For,
If we
for
know Visual Basic means we can able to write that code.
right, right.
Okay, okay.
So what is happening here is
Mm,
there are 5 sheets. Suppose I
mm,
want to club the data and create a single sheet of this data.
mm.
I'll click on this button. Will create a new sheet and club all the data in single sheet
Okay. How it is possible? How you done this?
through this code.
Oh, okay.
When I clicked
But
on
we
that
should
button, this
learn that
code was
code.
running.
Okay.
When I
It's
click that
looking
button,
like
this code
hectic
ran in
thing.
background.
Okay. It is automatically written, or we should study and write this.
We should study and write this.
Oh, okay.
This is a separate subject. So why I
Okay.
highlighted this?
Uh,
There's like a recording of macro or this
mm,
code. These
mm.
steps are being recorded here.
Oh, okay.
So similarly, I can utilize these again in a different query if I want.
Okay. Okay. I got it.
Okay,
Mm,
understood. So I was just
mm.
highlighting. Go carefully. Do not record wrong steps. If you are recording a wrong step, delete it.
Okay. Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood. In Power BI, the macro will be default.
No, this is not a macro.
No,
We
no,
cannot
you had
name it
told
as a
no
macro.
that the
I just try to correlate it so that you can understand what I'm explaining.
okay, 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 okay. I got it.
But the active because the activity is similar. What we are saying here is
Mm,
these steps are being recorded. We will
okay.
not call them as macro,
Mm,
but the activity is similar in a like in a recorded macro.
oh, okay,
Steps
I
are being
understand.
recorded. Similarly, steps are being recorded here.
Mm,
And
mm,
what we
mm,
do with the macro, we utilize the recorded steps again and again.
mm,
And if you want, you can do the same activity for these
mm,
steps also. You can utilize this query steps in a different query also if you want.
okay.
Okay. If I
Mm,
get to an example, I'll try to showcase this also. I've given you the information theoretically right now, but if
mm,
there is a case available, I'll showcase that right now. But if
mm,
there is a case that practically also.
mm,
Okay, so we did remove other columns.
mm,
Similarly, if I want to duplicate a column,
mm,
suppose I say for such state I say duplicate column.
mm,
So same column is created at the last column, right? After the last
mm,
column.
mm,
Remove duplicates. Removes
mm,
all rows from the selected column where the values duplicate earlier values. The row with the first occurrence value is not removed. So this is
mm,
available in Excel also.
mm,
So suppose for this SIC code, there are some duplicates available
mm,
like 7532,
mm,
7532. It is available 2 times.
mm,
I may say remove duplicates. Now if I try to search on 7532, there should be a single row of it. See,
mm,
got it?
mm,
So these are all what? These are cleaning activities or not?
mm.
Data cleaning activities.
Yes.
Remove errors, remove rows containing errors in the selected columns. Suppose
Mm. How the errors will be identified, Arun?
it
If
will
we
be written as error only here.
okay. No, I'm asking if we clicking it and
Hmm.
making us remove errors means how it will identify which will be error.
So those rows will be showcasing as ERROR only. For this data set, it is not there, but it will
Okay.
be showcased as error only.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm, mm, mm. it will be automatically identified, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. That
Power query will read that value as error only.
oh, okay. That error, how it will calculate it as an error. If it was a number column, in that the text will be available means it will be considered as error, or in which basis it will think it as an error.
Uh, Suppose this is a numeric column.
Yes.
Okay, now for this, a row is there wherein some vague value is there which is neither identified as a text or neither identified as a number. So, like this is
Oh,
a blank null, it will say ERROR here.
oh, okay, okay,
Okay,
okay. Can you do this? Can you do and show me? Is it possible?
I need a data set for that.
Okay.
I'll showcase that. We will utilize more data sets in the coming scenarios. Okay, change type. I can change the data type as per my requirement,
Mm,
right? Like
mm,
if I see 1, 2, 3, this is okay. So usually what happens is you see 1, 2, 3 ABC. These are data types actually. This
mm,
ABC is text. This is 1, 2, 3 is numeric,
mm.
right? For date, it will be showcasing a date also,
Oh,
right?
it will be automatically showing that the below of the column values, how it will be. Uh,
Right. What is the
okay,
data type of these? Now
okay.
suppose due to some error, let me say, okay, let me just as a scenario, let me say I don't want to store this as a number because this is a big number. I want to store it as text.
Mm,
I want to change it.
mm,
So right click,
mm,
change type. I may say change is data type to text.
mm.
It will be converted into ABC now.
Uh,
So this is written as a number, but for calculation purpose, it is not a number. You cannot do calculation now on this because
oh, okay.
this is you can say
Uh,
picture with like we write on a wall na 1, 2, 3.
uh.
But do we do calculation on a wall? No, na.
Mm,
So this is text only. This is for display. This is being
oh,
showcased as 1, 4, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 4, but it is not a number right now.
mm.
So suppose it is the case, so you have to change it to correct data type, again change to
Right.
as whole number.
You change as the date and time.
Date and time, it will not be na. We should have a correct case also na.
Okay.
See, now it came as
Oh,
an error. You were
uh,
asking me now how to show an error. So it
okay,
will
okay,
showcase error like this.
okay.
Understood?
This Power BI will be helping us if we done anything wrong, right?
Right, right. So you can utilize this change type to correct the data type of a column if it is not coming as a correct data type by default.
Mm,
Understood?
mm.
Transform, I just showcase you the trim, clean, all those things. So text column split, but you know text to column activity in Excel?
Text to column.
Hmm.
Mm.
No?
I can't get. If you show means, if I did means, I will remember.
Hmm. This is going to Power Query Editor only. Not I don't want to do this activity.
Mm,
What I'm trying to showcase here is let me pick this, paste it here. Okay, also it got it done automatically here.
mm,
Hmm. What is happening here is this is TXT, na?
mm.
Let me take a CSV file. I don't want to utilize this also. Let me check for a CSV file. Excel. Okay, I've got this. See, in this file, the columns are separated by comma. Have you seen this kind of a
Mm.
file? CSV
No,
file? No.
no,
This is
CSV file. I am using CSV file only. In my ERP, we will extract from CSV file only for uploading the data and all.
so when you put it on Excel, what
Mm.
do you do?
We will use the formula of right blank and all.
No, that is after you have got columns.
Yes, yes, yes.
Let me paste it here.
Mm.
Okay, now okay. So you see,
Mm.
customer ID is a column,
Mm.
then comma, customer name is a column, then comma, address, comma, current country, comma, city, state, comma, zip, right? These many columns are
Mm.
there,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
But if you expand this, you see B column is empty. Everything is available in a single column. That is it.
Mm. Mm.
That is usually the case with CSV
Mm.
files. Now I want to divide this single column into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns, right? So I'll select
Mm.
this,
Mm.
go to data tab. There's option which says text to column.
Okay.
Then I need to choose a delimiter, delimited. I'm saying delimiter is comma here. See, there is a line
Mm.
available now.
Uh,
This line is doing what? This line is dividing based on the
uh,
comma, dividing into columns.
okay. Okay. Mm.
Now this is my data set,
Okay. Nice.
right?
Ah.
This
Okay.
is text to column.
Okay. Text to column.
You, whatever you do, the right left formula, you will be writing like this,
Mm.
right?
Arun, wait for
Mhm.
text to column. In Excel, we are using data.
Data
Data,
tab,
data in the text to column.
right? No, no, in data we have text to column.
Okay, data to text. Okay.
Okay. Now,
Mm-hmm.
when you have converted your text file or CSV file into columns, then you will
Mm.
apply formulas, right?
Mm. Yes, yes.
Now, the same activity you
Mm.
can do what I was trying to showcase in Power Query
Mm.
through these. See, this group is saying text to column.
Oh,
You can see it by delimiter, by number of character, by position, by uppercase, lowercase, this non-digit,
oh,
non-digit to
this and
digit.
all in single step it is coming.
Yes. So you can divide your file with these options to different columns. Otherwise,
Mm.
it will be showcased as a single column, na?
Mm. 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 Mm.
Like I just showcased through a column, right?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Similarly, for formatting, I just utilize trim. You can utilize this. Is also we utilize capitalize each word, clean,
Mm.
add prefix, add suffix,
Mm.
extract, merge column, parse. Everything you can utilize
Mm. Mm.
for say trans. We did this activity earlier also. Suppose null. I do not want a null. I'm saying replace
Mm.
values.
Mm.
Place null with say 0 because this is a numeric column. I have to
Yes.
do calculations on it. Calculation cannot be done on null. It can be done on
Mm.
numeric
Mm.
values. And 0 is a value. Null is not a value, right?
Mm. 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 Mm.
Group by. This I'll showcase as a different topic.
Mm.
What it will do, it will aggregate your row values. It
Mm.
will basically convert the table into a pivot table kind of a scenario.
Mm.
Simple as that. Pivot table, I hope you know.
Pivot table?
Pivot table, you know, I hope.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
I know.
So let me do this once.
Mm.
I'll remove the step. Let me say
Mm.
group by.
Mm.
Okay. Group by say state. Give me the sum of revenue on sum on 2006 revenue. Got a pivot table on state?
Mm.
Understood or not?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Understood. You are using the group by instead of
Hmm.
pivot.
Right. So it is a
Mm.
similar activity.
Mm.
Suppose a very big data set, I want to
Mm.
compact it in a way with the help of a pivot table kind of activity. So the activity here is called group by.
Group by.
So that the
Okay.
size I'm working on is lesser.
Okay.
Got it? This unpivot and pivot I'll showcase as a separate topic.
Mm.
Moving of column is that I can change the position. Suppose I want to segment as a second.
Oh, as
I
like
can drag
Excel.
it also, or say move right, change the position of the column. This means you want to arrange your columns in a particular manner if you want. Column,
Mm.
right?
Okay.
Merge column if you want to combine two columns.
Mm.
Suppose I'm saying with this state, I want to combine this SIC code. I will select both the columns,
Mm.
right click, I'll say merge columns.
Mm.
If I want to showcase a separator, suppose I want to say custom
Mm.
and I want to put dash hyphen in between.
Mm.
See, I got a merge new column
Oh, okay.
and I can rename this also, whatever
Mm.
I want. Got it?
Okay, got it.
I'm removing these steps.
Mm.
Okay, so these all or what? These are table level actions. Oh, sorry, column level actions.
Okay, column level
Whatever
activities.
activity we did was on columns only.
Okay, column level activity.
Yes, actions.
Actions.
Right.
Okay,
Similarly, if you want to do something on a complete table itself,
okay.
right? Then you have
Mm.
got table level actions. For this, you have to
Okay.
go here, click
Mm.
on this small arrow. These are
Mm.
table level actions. Okay.
Mm.
So if I go by the list,
Mm.
use first row as header. I've already showcased. Add custom column. You want to insert a
Mm.
new column.
Mm.
Add custom column.
Mm.
You can apply a formula.
Mm.
Suppose I want to say tax on this revenue.
Mm.
Insert into 0.18. 18, suppose this is GST, 18% GST. I'm saying
Mm.
GST on this revenue.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
See, I've got a new column.
Mm.
So you can create a column through formula also.
Mm. Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood.
Add an index column. Like serial number,
Mm.
we have a serial number column in Excel for some of data sets, right?
Mm.
Right now, my column is city. There is no serial number column available, right?
Mm.
Suppose I'm saying add index column from 1. You can start
Mm.
from 0 also. See,
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4. How many rows are there? You can check.
Mm.
It will give me the number of rows now,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
Right now it is showcasing 72 rows,
Mm.
but it should be more than 1000 rows.
Mm.
So why it is showcasing only 72 rows? Because the profiling is based on top rows, and we have done some steps also. That is why it might be the case.
Okay.
Okay, but I've got a serial number column available like this.
Mm.
Understood?
Mm.
Okay,
The
what else
serial
we can
number
do?
alone, once again, you do it.
Let me delete this.
Mm.
Let me again take help from Excel to explain it to you.
Mm. No, in the Power BI itself, you show it once again. I will understand.
So in this table level actions, I'm having add index column.
Oh, okay, okay. Mm.
Simply
Mm.
set from 1. You can start from 0 or some custom value also.
Okay, okay. Mm.
Got it?
Mm, yeah, got it.
If I say from table level action, I say remove duplicates. What
Mm.
it will consider is it will check the whole row,
Mm.
compare it with the whole row whether it is a duplicate or not. Then it will remove.
Mm.
Let me see if we get anything. It did something, it didn't display how many rows it deleted, but that step was applied. So there would be duplicate rows, right?
Mm.
What else we have? Keep top rows, I showcase you. Similar, you can have keep bottom rows. You can provide the number 10 rows, 100 rows, whatever you want.
Mm.
You can do that. Similarly, you can provide a range of rows, means starting with 100. Let me showcase this. I'm saying from 100.05
Mm.
till 1 9, 9. Keep these rows only.
Mm.
This table is empty because I think that range was not available, right?
Up to 72 only the rows have been
Hmm.
displayed now.
Yes. So let me utilize, say, from 50 to 70.
Okay.
Say 51
To
to 70.
72. Okay, 70.
I'm removing the last two also.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm.
If I go to
Okay.
index,
Mm.
I deleted that index. If I have having it, let me do one thing. Let me get back the index once.
Okay, one thing I want to ask, if we remove, you are deleting the comments, no, that applied steps.
Hmm.
Then if we remove that applied steps means it will be the data will be segregated to old thing or it
Yes.
will
You will get to the old position.
old version. But before deleting the
See,
applied steps, we
51
should
to
publish. Then
51 to
only
70.
okay.
So suppose I deleted something, I want to get back to my previous
Mm.
data. I can simply delete the step, I'm back to my original form.
Okay, if you are deleting that, you in added index you are deleting means then once again you want to add that index means how it will be coming
If I delete this, it will be removed.
removed. If we want the index to be once again inserted means we should manually done that.
Yes, again we have to do that.
Okay. Mm.
Understood?
Okay, understood.
So if suppose I want to get to this step, even you select this step, na, you will get the data set which was available on this step.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood. After that, this all steps we are doing means then these all steps should be if we published only the applied steps deleted also the data will be same.
Right. Final transform data would be loaded.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, keeping you can remove also from top, bottom or a range.
Mm,
Errors I've just showcased you. Merge and append queries, I'll take it as a separate topic itself.
mm,
Okay.
okay. Okay.
Click on the first link only.
Mm, okay.
Go a bit below. Click on download.
This thing.
Yes.
Okay, download. This thing.
So you have to tell it what is your system type. Your is a 64-bit system or a 34-bit system?
24-bit system only, I think so.
64-bit or 32-bit?
Mm.
How old is your system? Can you tell me?
Uh, it's around 6 to 7 years, I think so.
32-bit only. Click on the second option.
Okay.
Remove the first one.
Mm.
Click on download.
Oh, it's showing the 30 minutes.
It will take time. Then when it is done, you can run this executive file. This should be
Ah,
installed. Then you
okay.
can start using it.
Okay. Just by clicking, it will be automatically installed, right?
It will run for a while. It will give you some options of going next, next, next.
Okay.
Then it will be installed.
Okay.
If you want, we can wait and do it right now also.
No, I didn't have any problem. Do you want to, for you, not an issue, no?
No, 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 not an issue. No worries with that. Let it
No.
run.
Now only 40 MB has been downloaded.
It's a big software, I told you. No?
Yes.
So this topic is about connection
Mm,
types, which I've already showcased that you can connect to a lot
mm,
of data sources, right?
mm.
So from database, Azure, there can be n number of sources. Only difference
Mm,
would be whenever you connect to a source,
mm,
your this preview file of load edit or load transform cancel would be a bit different depending on the source. For text and CSV file, it is like this only. Suppose you are connecting to XML files, it will be like this. If you are connecting to say SQL data, sorry, this is from a folder, it would be like this. So accordingly, you have to go through different steps. If you are connecting through a database, it may ask you for some password and all kind of activity also. Let me showcase that. This is already showcasing the loaded tables. These are data source settings. It is saying credentials. So whenever you connect to a data source, it will ask you for a password also. Not showcased in these snapshots. So that we need a SQL server actually. Let me take help from internet. Okay. Clicked on something. See, it will ask for server detail, database name, data connectivity type, advanced option. In this snapshot also, it is not showcasing the password window. When you click on OK, na, it will ask for the password also, credentials. Okay. So with different data sources, you will have different options available when you're starting with action. You just have to utilize those options. Then you are simply getting these tables which are available in the database. You can connect to any table and then click on transform. Then it is same for everything.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Then the next would be on those transformation part only, some of which we have already discussed. Transformation, custom columns we have not done, data types we have done, formulas we have not done, conditional logic we have not done. Grouping, I showcased a scenario, but not completely. So we'll do that, and aggregating. So can we do this tomorrow?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I think enough for today.
Yeah, it's okay. No issues.
No issues.
Yes.
Okay, then let's meet tomorrow, and I will try to cover these topics tomorrow.
Okay.